In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice over in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to record a voiceover directly inside your editing project, DaVinci Resolve makes it very simple once you know where to look. This is a great option if you're adding narration to a tutorial, a commentary track, or any video that needs spoken audio lined up with your timeline. To begin, go to the Edit section in DaVinci Resolve. This is the workspace where you can arrange your clips, manage your timeline, and record directly into your project. If you're new to the software, take a second to make sure you're in the correct page before moving on, because the recording controls we're looking for are located here. Once you're in the Edit section, look across the row of icons. On the left side, you'll see a microphone icon. Click that microphone icon to open the voiceover recording controls. This is the panel that lets you prepare for recording your narration without needing to leave the timeline. It's designed to be quick and convenient, especially if you want to record and continue editing right away. After that, to start recording, simply click the mic button in the recording controls. That's it. DaVinci Resolve will begin recording your voiceover directly into the timeline, making it easy to place your narration exactly where you need it. This can save time compared to recording in separate software and importing the file afterward. As a quick tip, before you start speaking, make sure your microphone is connected and working properly, so your recording comes through clearly. It's also helpful to record in a quiet space to reduce background noise. Even though the actual process only takes a couple of clicks, a clean recording will make a big difference in the final result. If you don't see the sound wave right away, give it a moment and check that your input device is set up correctly in DaVinci Resolve. Good microphone placement can also help your voice sound more natural and consistent, so try to keep a steady distance from the mic while recording. And that's how to voice over in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where the microphone controls are, the whole process is fast and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.